Mornings decide everything. The way you rise sets a tone for how you fight, how you focus, and how you win the day. In this video, you'll move through 100 affirmations, one by one, counting down until your mind is locked in, your spirit is fueled, and your morning is unstoppable. Let's begin. 100. I rise with purpose today. 99. My energy fuels my mission. 98. This morning is a fresh start. 97. Clarity fills me with each breath. 96. I'm stronger than yesterday's doubts. 95. Discipline is my freedom. 94. Gratitude sharpens my focus. 93. I own the choices I make today. 92. Momentum builds as I move forward. 91. I am capable of more than I imagine. 90. My mind is my greatest tool. 89. Every step counts toward my goals. 88. I am calm, centered, and powerful. 87. Today I create opportunities. 86. I choose progress over perfection. 85. Confidence radiates from me. 84. I turn challenges into strength. 83. My actions define my success. 82. I attract clarity and focus. 81. I am unstoppable when I commit. 80. My potential expands daily. 79. I wake with gratitude in my heart. 78. I honor my goals with action. 77. Success begins in my thoughts. 76. I am present, awake, alive. 75. My resilience grows stronger each day. 74. I create momentum by moving now. 73. My habits build my future. 72. I am proud of my progress. 71. Energy flows where focus goes. 70. I rise above fear and doubt. 69. My willpower carries me forward. 68. Today I bring my best self. 67. I am the architect of my day. 66. My morning sets my direction. 65. I choose discipline over distraction. 64. My mind is wired for growth. 63. I welcome change as progress. 62. I act with courage and strength. 61. My vision is clear and steady. 60. I align my thoughts with success. 59. Today, I win small battles that add up. 58. I am grateful for this breath. 57. My work ethic creates my freedom. 56. I rise stronger after every challenge. 55. Today, I sharpen my focus. 54. I turn effort into results. 53. I am disciplined in thought and action. 52. My energy is limitless when I'm aligned. 51. I trust myself fully. 50. Today, I create my future. 49. I am resilient in the face of struggle. 48. I embrace the flow of life. 47. My consistency builds greatness. 46. I show up even when it's hard. 45. I am grateful for challenges. They shape me. 44. I fuel my body, mind, and spirit. 43. I honor my priorities. 42. Today I plant seeds for tomorrow's harvest. 41. I rise early. I rise strong. 40. My focus is unshakable. 39. I am calm, clear, and committed. 38. Every choice today builds my destiny. 37. I am grateful for my journey. 36. I am open to abundance. 35. I am stronger than excuses. 34. My actions are aligned with purpose. 33. I create space for clarity. 32. I am disciplined in all I do. 31. My morning mindset sets my tone. 30. I am a magnet for growth. 29. I rise with gratitude. 28. My drive outshines my doubts. 27. I am consistent and unstoppable. 26. My spirit is strong and steady. 25. I see obstacles as stepping stones. 24. I choose strength over weakness. 23. I turn vision into reality. 22. My inner fire fuels my day. 21. I rise with discipline and passion. 20. I am fearless in pursuit of my goals. 19. I create momentum every morning. 18. My habits build unstoppable strength. 17. I choose gratitude over negativity. 16. I am focused and fearless. 15. My discipline creates freedom. 14. I rise as the best version of myself. 13. My effort compounds into success. 12. I wake with clarity and vision. 11. I am unstoppable when aligned with purpose. 10. I rise strong, ready, focused. 9. My morning energy sets my tone. 8. I embody clarity, courage, and confidence. 7. Today, I conquer self-doubt. 6. I am fueled by purpose. 5. I rise with unstoppable energy. 4. My morning is my foundation. 3. I choose discipline. I choose growth. 2. I ignite my day with intention. 1. I rise and shine. I am unstoppable. You've just completed 100 morning affirmations, your rise and shine countdown. Carry this energy into your day and come back tomorrow to build momentum again. If this fueled you, hit like, subscribe for more daily power, and share this with someone who needs a strong start. Your mornings are your foundation. Keep rising, keep shining.